Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a repository to an organization in GitHub. If you want to move a repository from your personal account to a GitHub organization, here's what to do. Go to your repository's main page and click the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Danger Zone and find the option labeled Transfer Ownership. And then click Transfer. Then you'll be prompted to enter the name of the organization you want to transfer it to, as well as the repository name to confirm just right below it. Make sure that you have admin access in both the source and destination accounts, or the transfer won't work. Once you confirm, GitHub will automatically move the entire repository, including all the branches, issues, pull requests, and settings to the organization. And that's how to transfer a repository to an organization in GitHub.